Hi there and welcome back. It's Tanya from Tatty Treasures. So me and Nanine from Collage Type have got another collaboration project together, and this will come out today, and it's the new planner kit for next year. It's very different this year. Last year it went through the months, so every month there was a new kit, which you know, in December it was Christmas, and in fall there was fall parts, so you could go through the year and have different colours and things. But these are just year kits, so it's just one kit. And because Sage and Willow is a very popular kit, and the Memories of the Meadows is a popular kit, we thought we'd go with those. So I'm going to have the Memories of the Meadow in my shop, and Nanine's going to have the Sage and Willow in her shop. So we'll take a look at the Memories one first. And if you're not doing a planner, this is, you know, it's going to be good as an add-on to the Memories kit. So it doesn't need to be just used as a planner. So there's 30 sheets altogether, and we've got some which are half and half, so you could use them as, you know, regular pages, or you can tear the halves out, or just tear bits out to put them onto your planners. And like I say, obviously you can use it in a journal too. So we've got the lovely buttercups with this beautiful green at the side, and we've got this one with that wallpapery type pattern there, got a little butterfly. And this one, lovely pale lilac there. And that one, it mirrors the colours there. Again, beautiful patterns. Okay, then we've got some plainer ones. So we've got some graph, we've got some lined. Obviously these can be printed out 2 to a page or 4 to a page, so you can do all different types of planners, or, you know, whatever your project is. This has got the faint florals in the background. It's very pretty. We've got a full one of the wallpaper one. I don't know if you can see the patterns or not. It's a bit hard for me to see if you can see. And then we've got this one. It's got a little bit of a pinky tone, and this beautiful blue. So they're full page ones. We've got this box one with a floral through the middle, and got one with the dots on. A plain, well, not a plain, swirly pink one, and another pinky one here, and a green, and then this beautiful page. I absolutely adore that. So how many papers is it altogether? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 full size sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7 I think there was. Yeah, 7 of the double ones. So that's 18 pages. So that's the background sheets. And then the ephemera, we've got the numbers up to 31. If you wanted them smaller, then obviously print them 2 to a page. We've got 2023, 24 and 25, so you can use it the following year. So that's those. We've got a page of plain labels, floral labels, and some have got words on. So we've got appointment, meeting, lunch, birthday, anniversary, and then you can write your own on. So that's that one. We've got a full sheet of days. Again, if they're too big, you can do them two to a page. We've got all the months and then a couple of blank ones. We've got planner and big plans, dream plan do, 2023, planner, goals, calendar, diary, then some plain ones and another 2023. I've got a full page of the floral labels. Again, you can print these off 2 to a page. But I think these will make like nice little tucks and things. So that's that one. We've got these long ones for lists. So shopping list, things to do, this and that, and another shopping list. If you didn't want them on, obviously you could cut across the top. And it's got 3 plain ones there. Then these are like little note cards that you can just put, small notes on or memories on and things like that, or as decoration. Do them 2 to a page and have them even smaller. And we've got a sheet of butterflies and birds all flying and doing different things. Butterflies, beautiful. Then we've got a page of tickets, 3 strips of tickets, 2 of stamps, and then a couple of washi strips. Lovely stamps. A page of ephemera. Love that. Again, all these will be great 2 to a page. A page of fussy cuts, and that's the sage and willow. So that is the memory kit. And let's take a look at the sage and willow. So they'll be exactly the same with the amount of sheets and things. I've got this lovely script and bird with that beautiful green. A botanical one there, nice green pattern. This beautiful paisley one and the beige on that side. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I do like that. That's those practicing writing, isn't it? And then this lovely paper. Is there any more double ones? I think that's it for the double ones. And we've got a full in that one. And a full one in the paisley. Yeah, I really like that. And we've got a collage one, which is beautiful. A spotty one or dotted one. A grid one. Box one that's faintly got like a wallpaper in the background. Then the lovely lined one. Another wallpapery one. Oh, that's nice. that one, and that one. Oh, crikey. And another. That one. Oh, we've got another two-page one. Sorry, I'd got them mixed up. So that's the pages for it. And then we've got the ephemera pieces. That's very nice. And then we've got that again. Yeah, it's nice ephemera, that is. There's the lists. And the numbers and years. The labels. And all the days. Some fussy cuts. The months. Then you've got that one with sage on, and that one. It's like a stamp. The little cards. Then we've got those tickets, stamps and strips. Beautiful. Loving that. I've got the butterflies and birds. Obviously just a change of colour. More labels. Some more cards. And the picture labels. So me and Denise at Junk Journal Junkie UK are doing the Memories of the Meadow kit, and Rita Jensen and Donna are going to be doing the Sage and Willow kit, but I will use this Sage and Willow kit next, you know, springtime, and mix it in with the Sage and Willow kits to make it as like an add-on. So that is those, and the reason why I went for the Meadow one is because I'd picked up this planner, which is Dream, Plan and Do, and it's in pink. So I've not really looked in it yet, and I don't know, you know, am I going to take this out? Am I going to add to it? I don't know. I like this bit with the notes in the front. So yeah, this is, oh, they've got a ruler. This is the planner that I'm going to be using. So I need to have a good think of how I'm doing it. Oh, I've got a gratitude one. So yeah, I'll probably keep some of it in. So I think through the month we'll all just pop up. We're only going to do, you know, 1 or 2 videos in the next 2 months, getting us planners set up and things. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the planner, and if you did them last year, I hope you think that this is it's a more economical way of doing it. And you know, you can obviously when it was the monthly ones, you couldn't do your full planner for the year, you know, in a few sessions. You'd obviously got to do it month by month. So we shall try it this way. So thank you for joining me, and I shall see you either later or tomorrow. Ooh, so I shall keep that with that, something else to cut out. So bye for now.